Okay, hello. This is Goodison Gamer, once again with another review. And today I bring you yet Set Willy II on the Commodore 64, and this is a game request by John Gage on YouTube. Alright, so we have a little bit of Beethoven's Für Elise here, always nice in the intro. I reviewed another game called... what the hell was that called? Manic Miner. I think this is a sequel to it. I didn't really enjoy it. It was pretty frustrating. Hope this one is better. I don't know the plot in this game. So let's see if we can move here. Yes, we can move with my button. Left and right and space is for jump. My lives is down to the left. The time is over the lives. Rooms visited, this is the first room. And 1 items collected. So this game is probably about starting at one point and ending at another point, and collect stuff and avoid being killed by strange enemies. That's my guess. How's that for an idea? So up here we have some glimmering stuff. Cannot collect it. And I walk pretty slow, and the enemy over me there walk like he's on the Duracell batteries. So this is the third room. We have more lethal stuff there. Let's just walk around and see what's happening here. We have some stuff, glimmering stuff over there. Let's jump down here and see where we end up. There are 2 ways here. Down here. See if we are ending up in the flames of hell, or if we end up in another room. Yeah, we ended up in another room. Where? Oh, okay, I'm up there. Okay. Here we have a bouncing ball. Probably it's very lethal. So stay away from everything. So far, I don't know what to say about it. But it looks like it has variations to it. Let's go up here. I don't have a clue where to go, so I'm just guessing now. Okay. So, can I jump over this dude here? Yeah. Okay, this... Oh, no. Okay, we shall not go back there. So I lost a life there. Yeah, these heads that go up and down seems very lethal. And we have a rabbit that transforms into something. Okay. This is a little bit strange, but let's jump over. Okay. So this seems that there is a dead end. Can it be so? No, it was... Hey! What happened? Did I die there? Okay. Oof, that was close. Yo! Ah! Okay. It's a lot about timing. No! Ah! Okay, can I time this one? Shit! Ah! How do I... There is no way. I have to go this way, I think. This is strange. Okay, how do I time this one? This is frustrating. What the fuck? Oh, I died. Shit, I'm suck at this game actually. What the hell happened there? Okay, but I mean, yeah, I think we're gonna leave it there. But this is just a little bit of a little look at the game. So I must say I'm impressed with it. It can be frustrating, but it's much better than the Manic Miner actually. So I can see if this is considered a classic. I understand it. It has a lot of variations to it when it comes to enemies and levels and the rooms and all that. So it's a nice game. I recommend it. I will rate it 6 out of 10. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and have a good one. Goodbye.